Hi there, my name's Adam. I'm from Bambrella. I'm going to show you how to put together the two-piece Hurricane parasol. In the box you'll find the canopy section and a bottom pole. We've already got it out and got it ready, and we're going to put the bottom section onto the top. At the end of the bottom pole there's a thread and another one on the other side. We need to line this up so that the holes match. So slide your pole in, and when it's in place just make sure that the thread and the hole line up. Next, taking one of the bolts, remove the cap off the top of the thread lock. Make sure not to get the thread lock on the canopy, so you can do it over the plastic if needs be. And then you just want a couple of drops on one side. So just drop on there, 1, 2. Put the cap back on to one side. Then position the bolt in. The reason we use the thread lock is to stop the bolts coming out as a result of vibration on the parasol. Screw it in until it's tight, and then repeat the same process on the underside. So having turned over the parasol, we're now going to put the other bolt in. Again, we're going to repeat the process. Take our thread lock, do a couple of drips on one side, okay, and then put the cap back on. Place the bolt in, screw it in place, and then finish with the Allen key. Make sure that it's nice and tight. And once in place, that parasol will then be ready to go up.